There is the transmission after a couple hours of scrubbing and cleaning. I've tried Castrol Super Clean. I've tried Simple Green. I've tried Foamy Engine Bright. I've tried aluminum cleaner. And right now I'm going to try some wheel cleaner. See if I can get the last bits. I've been using toothbrushes to scrub with. That wheel cleaner says to let it set for a couple minutes and see, let it do its work. So I'm going to shut off the camera a bit and just do some scrubbing here, let it do its thing, rinse it off with water, and see whether it improved it any. Okay, I've scrubbed that for a while. I'm going to squirt some water on it. Like it might have improved some in here, but it's not a significant change. I was hoping to get it clean enough to just clear coat it and have it be natural aluminum finish, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn this around to show you what it started like. So that's about what it started like. So a couple more hours on this side and it all ought to be pretty much the same. This is the bottom of the transmission pan. Hopefully I'll be able to identify the type of transmission from that pan. Should be a TH400 in the car. I don't know if this has been replaced or not. I've been working on cleaning this transmission with just about every cleaning solution known to man, and I'm still not happy with the results. So the next thing I'm going to try is pressure washing it. But I want to make note of a couple things. What I've done here is I've replaced the speedometer cable so that I don't get any water into the transmission itself. I will put the dipstick cable or dipstick tube back in, but up here the connection for the shifter linkage, I want to make sure that I get it back on right, so the connection that holds the cable still points towards the front of the transmission when it's on correct, and it's above the pan. And on the actual shift shaft lever itself, it's got a curve. The curve goes away from the transmission, and the pin that the cable attaches to is toward the front of the transmission. So I will know how to put that back on when it's time.